The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of the year. And if you're looking for a device that blends premium design, powerful performance, and next-level connectivity without breaking the bank, this might just be the phone to watch. Right out of the box, the Galaxy A56 5G impresses with a sleek, modern design that feels far more premium than its price tag suggests. Samsung continues its minimalist design language with a clean rear camera layout, smooth matte finish, and slim profile that fits comfortably in hand. The refined build quality gives it a flagship-inspired look, making it stand out in the competitive mid-range segment. On the front, you're greeted by a stunning 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution and a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and brightness levels are strong enough for outdoor visibility. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix, scrolling through social media, or gaming, the visual experience feels immersive and fluid. Samsung's display technology once again proves why it's among the best in the industry. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 5G is powered by an efficient and capable processor designed for smooth multitasking and gaming. Paired with generous RAM options and ample internal storage, this phone handles everyday tasks effortlessly, from video editing and app switching to playing demanding games. Thanks to 5G connectivity, downloads are lightning fast and streaming is seamless, future-proofing the device for the years ahead. Photography lovers will appreciate the versatile triple-camera setup. The main sensor captures sharp, detailed images with impressive dynamic range, even in challenging lighting conditions. Samsung's AI enhancements optimize colors and exposure, making photos social media ready straight out of the camera. The ultra-wide lens expands your creativity, perfect for landscapes and group shots, while the macro lens allows you to get up close with stunning detail. On the front, the selfie camera delivers crisp, natural-looking shots with great skin tones and portrait effects. Battery life is another strong highlight. With a large 5,000 mAh battery, the Galaxy A56 5G easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or attending online meetings, you won't constantly be searching for a charger. And when you do need to power up, fast charging support ensures you're back in action quickly. Software-wise, Samsung's One UI offers a smooth and user-friendly experience based on the latest Android version. Clean animations, customization options, and enhanced privacy features add extra value. Samsung's commitment to long-term software updates also gives buyers peace of mind. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G delivers an impressive balance of style, performance, camera capability, and battery life. For viewers of Upcoming Smartphones Hub, this device represents a powerful mid-range option that feels closer to flagship territory than ever before. If Samsung positions it competitively in terms of pricing, the Galaxy A56 5G could easily become one of the best-selling smartphones in its category.